Hey guys, thanks for tuning in to another episode of Jack's Mechanics. Just got a I30 here, it's 2010 model, and just going to show you how to reset the service reminder. So it doesn't matter if you have the doors open or not, you need the ignition to position number 2, and then down here we have our trip and reset button. So if you press the trip button, it cycles you through the menu. You want to come up to service, you want to hold the reset button about 5 seconds, release, hold reset again. There we go, predetermined on this thing. As happy as that. Cycle the key. Happy days. Cheers guys, take care, and we'll catch you in the next one.